Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة النساء من يشفع شفاعة حسنة يكن له نصيب منها ومن يشفع شفاعة سيئة يكن له كفل منها وَكَانَ اللَّهُ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ مُقِيتًا. Translation: Whoever intercedes making recommendation for a good cause will have his share in its reward, and whoever intervenes for an evil cause will share its burden and consequences, and Allah has an overall control upon everything. Meaning that if somebody intercedes for something good, like Prophet Muhammad told Muslims to get out of their homes in the path of Allah and fight in the path of Allah, this was an encouragement and invitation for a good thing, and he will have all the good rewards. But if somebody is recommending anything that is bad or interceding for something bad, then they will get the punishment of that. For example, in the same example, the hypocrites and those who are lazy Muslims, they did not want to live in the path of Allah to fight, and they were also telling the other people not to go, so they will have the punishment of their recommendation and for their intercession and intervening for a bad cause. Also, if somebody is making a recommendation and asking some rich man to give charity to a poor man, and when this charity is made, the rich man will get good rewards, and the one who made that recommendation will also get good reward. And on the other hand, if someone has made recommendation for any criminal and that criminal is free in the society again because of that recommendation, and he is doing any crime, so the man who made recommendation for that criminal will also be part of the punishment that this criminal will get due to his crime. One rich lady from the tribe of Bani Makhzum stole something, and the people of Quraysh tried that she should not get the punishment of cutting the hands, and they told Hazrat Osama bin Zayd anhu to intercede and make a recommendation for this lady. And when Hazrat Osama bin Zayd anhu told Prophet Muhammad Prophet Muhammad did not like that and said that, are you giving me your intercession about the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? And then he gave a sermon and said that the people before you were destroyed because of this habit, that if someone rich or of high status stole something, they used to leave him, and if someone poor did stealing, then he would get the punishment. And by Allah, if Fatima bint Muhammad, meaning daughter of Prophet Muhammad stole, then I would have cut her hand also. Allah Ta'ala. One must not do any intercession for any haram deed or anyone who is incapable of doing the job. And one who is doing intercession should not take any money. If he does, it will be considered as bribe and it is haram. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that Allah has overall control upon everything, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala controls all the risk and provision and intercession of someone will not alter that. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.